This is what we've been all waiting for. This is going to pretty much bring us the last big release till the end of the year. This box is going to be very different. This is the limited run that Onyx did as a trial in Russia. It was released and sold out pretty much within a day. So this is going to be a little bit of a different retail packaging, but the device will relatively be the same. This is the Poke 2 using Kaleido by E-Ink. 4096 colors with X mode, with color, with video capabilities, with Google Play. There is so much to say about this. Let's crack it open and see what is inside. This is obviously a review sample. So we have our USB cable right there that comes with it. You release the rest of the box. Again, this information is going to be different because this was primarily used for the Russian release, as you can see right here. This is all going to be different. So we'll go ahead and put that off to the side and check out the reader itself. So there it is, and again, the introductory screensaver page here will be different as well. So you have your USB port at the bottom, nothing on the sides, and the top is clean except for the power button with status indicator light built in. So we'll just do a quick first time boot up here for you to show you guys that this is the real deal. Status indicator light glows blue LED. And yes, this will be the same technology that basically everyone is using right now. So you see the background, which is supposed to be white, is rather gray. And that is just inherent because E-Ink with the Kaleido system is not up to the standards where it can be white on black just yet. The color array filter basically always has to be on, therefore you get that little bit of grayness. But the beauty of this is that you're getting all of that E-Ink color and all of that amazing books Poke compatibility in one package. Yes, it is in English and it boots as a regular Poke. So although the promotional stuff is the Russian information, this is just for our review sample purposes. The one that you will be getting from us will look a little bit different. But yes, this is basically everything that comes in the box. It's a very simple package, but it packs a huge punch and it is extremely relevant, and we feel like we've been waiting a decade for something like this, and here it is. Stay tuned for the full review coming up very shortly, and lots of comparisons, outside tests, color tests, manga tests, and the whole kit and caboodle. Pretty much it's going to be a week of color for GoodyReader.com and an unboxing of the Poke 2 Color. This is Peter.